Take a close look at this clip. Did you hear that audio? The rain? The atmosphere? That wasn't stock music. That video and that sound were generated by AI at the exact same time. Now, let's be honest. Quality like this? It's not free. But before you click away, listen to me. Instead of burning cash on 5 different subscriptions for image, video, and audio, what if you could have one powerhouse studio that does it all? If you are serious about investing in the best AI tools to scale your income, do yourself a favor. Smash that subscribe button for Benedict AI World right now. And make sure to watch this video to the end. Welcome back, guys. Let's be real for a second. The biggest problem with AI right now? It's getting expensive. Runway, Midjourney, Pika. The subscriptions pile up, and suddenly your bank account is hurting. That is why I am so hyped to show you Higgsfield.ai. While this is a premium platform, it is quietly becoming the ultimate all-in-one investment for serious creators. It replaces the need for multiple expensive tools. In the next few minutes, I'm going to prove to you why this is worth every penny. First, we are going to generate mind-blowing images with Nano Banana Pro. Then, we're going to use the incredible Kling 2.6 audio model to create video and sound instantly. And finally, I'll show you how to take full control like a Hollywood director using Cinema Studio. Trust me, once you see what this can do, you'll realize why it's a game changer. And don't forget to grab my code later in the video. So, are you ready to create something epic? Let's dive into the dashboard. All right, rule number 1 of video making. Every great video starts with a great image. So, first things first, we are going to click right here on Nano Banana Pro. Funny name, I know, but this engine is an absolute beast. Have you ever tried to generate an image with AI, but the text looks like alien hieroglyphics? It's frustrating, right? Most models struggle with text and logic. But watch this. I'm going to type in a prompt. Let's go with a futuristic cyberpunk coffee shop. And now, for the real test, I'm going to add specific text with a neon sign that says Benedict AI. Let's see if it can handle my channel name without messing up the spelling. Fingers crossed, and click Generate. Boom! Look at that result. Let's zoom in on that neon sign. BENEDICTAI. It is spelled perfectly. No weird characters, no distortion. The image is crisp, looking like 4K quality. And here is another thing, Nano Banana Pro has amazing visual reasoning. If I asked for 3 cups on the table, it would give me exactly 3 cups. This is a game changer if you are trying to create a consistent character for a story. If you need your character to look the same from different angles, this is the tool you start with. Okay, we have a beautiful image, but it's static. It's boring. Let's breathe some life into it. I'm switching over to the Kling 2.6 audio tab. Now, be honest, how much time do you waste finding stock music or sound effects? You generate a video, then you have to go to a different site for audio, then edit it together. It's a headache. Kling 2.6 is multimodal. That's just a fancy way of saying it creates the video and the original audio at the same time. Watch my screen. I'm typing a cinematic shot of a rainy street, and I'm adding heavy rain sounds, distant traffic. I'm not uploading any sound files. I'm just telling the AI what I want to hear. Ready? Let's hit Generate. Boom! Did you hear that? That rain sound isn't a stock track. The AI generated it to match the visuals perfectly. The movement is smooth, the camera path is steady. And if you create a talking character, the lip sync is incredible. It feels real, doesn't it?
It's strange how quiet everything feels right now.
And finally, the heavyweight champion, Cinema Studio. This is where we stop playing games and start making movies. You have 2 modes here, image and video. First, image mode. Start by describing your scene in this box. I'm typing, a close-up portrait of a futuristic warrior, neon lighting, rain. Now, usually, you just hit Generate and hope for the best, but not here. Look at this menu. I can literally choose my equipment. I'm selecting an IMAX film camera paired with an Arri Signature Prime lens, and let's set the focal length to 50 millimeters for that perfect portrait look. You are basically building a virtual photography studio. Click Generate. Now, let's move to video mode. Again, tell the AI what you want. I'm typing, a spaceship landing on a desert planet, dust clouds. But here is the problem with most AI tools. You type pan right or drone shot in the text, and the AI often ignores you. Cinema Studio fixes that. Click on the Movements tab. Look at this grid. You don't need to guess. You want a drone shot? Click the thumbnail. You want a dramatic dolly in? It's right here. I'm selecting drone shot to make it look epic. But wait, here is a pro tip for total control. Look at these two boxes down here, start frame and end frame. Hit the yellow generate button, and you are the director. So, I know what you're asking. Benedict, how do I start? Head over to Higgsfield.ai. I've put the link right at the top of the description below. Honestly, with the speed, the quality, and the fact that you get all these tools in one place, this is the most creator-friendly platform I've used all year. I've linked a full step-by-step guide in the description as well. If you make something cool with Higgsfield, tag me. I seriously want to see what you guys create. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Benedict AI World for more tools that put money in your pocket. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.